Standard 6th Subject General Science Unit Substances in Daily Use. Hello students, we are learning about our 6th lesson Substances in Daily Use. The substances in everyday use are of two main types, natural substances and man-made substances. In the previous video, we have learnt about production of substances like rubber and paper. Today we are going to learn about synthetic fibers or threads. Students, you have known that like food and shelter, clothes are our basic need. We need clothes to protect ourselves and our body from heat, cold, dust, insects, etc. Let's solve the questions given in the section Can you tell? First question is, from which substances in nature can we get threads or fiber? We get threads or fibers from cotton, wool, jute, hemp, silk, etc. Hemp, Ambadi Vanaspati. Silk is a natural thread or fiber obtained from the cocoons of silkworm. Cocoon, रेशीम किड्याचा कोश. From one cocoon, 500 meters to 1300 meters of thread can be obtained. It is said that silk was first produced on a large scale in China. Next question is, what are clothes made from? Clothes are made from fiber. To meet the clothing needs of an increasing population, artificial yarn was produced. For this, much research and process has taken place in this field. Innumerable kinds of synthetic or artificial threads are now available. Nylon, Dacron, Terylene, polyester, rayon are the names of various synthetic threads. Almost all the articles made from natural fibers in the olden days. Now they can be made from synthetic threads. Nylon, rayon, terylene, acrylic are all synthetic threads and many articles in our daily use are made from them. Let's learn about nylon threads. These threads were invented at the same time in New York and London. Therefore, the initials NA of New York and LON from London were combined to name them nylon. NYLON. These threads have a shine, they are strong, transparent, and water resistant. Uses of these threads to manufacture clothes, fishing nets, ropes, etc. Next thread is rayon. These threads have shine and strength, so they are said to be synthetic silk, Krutrim Reshim. They shine like the sun's rays, hence they were named rayon. Then how is rayon produced? Cotton and wood pulp is dissolved in a chemical called sodium hydroxide to make a solution. Threads are obtained from this solution with the help of machines. Next threads are Dacron, Terylene, Terene. Various hydrocarbons obtained from mineral oils are used to make polymer chains. Hydrocarbons, substance obtained from mineral oil, खनिज तेलापासून मिळणारा पदार्थ. Polymer chain, long continuous chains formed by small interlinked chemical units. एका लहान घटकाची एकत्र गुंफण करून तयार होणारी अखंड साखळी म्हणजे पॉलिमर चेन. A solution of such a polymer is pressed through a strainer with fine holes. The fibers formed after cooling are long and unbroken threads. These threads are twisted to obtain yarn. To make threads of various properties, different types of chemicals are used. These different threads have been named variously as Dacron, Terylene, Terine, etc. Let's learn about advantages and shortcomings of synthetic fiber. कृत्रिम धाग्यांचे गुण आणि दोष. Let's learn advantages first. These fibers can be manufactured on a mass scale. Mass scale मोठ्या प्रमाणावर. They cost less. They are strong and durable. अतिशय टिकाऊ व मजबूत असे हे धागे असतात. They can be used for a long time. They are water repellent, hence do not rot or get wet. They dry easily. They are lightweight and comfortable to wear. As they have a shine, they enhance the appearance of wearer. चकाकी चांगली असल्यामुळे व्यक्तिमत्व खुलण्यास मदत होते. Clothes made from these threads are wrinkle free and scratch free. Wrinkle free सुरकुत्या पडत नाहीत. Scratch free ओरखडे उठत नाहीत. Okay, let's learn shortcomings of synthetic fibers. They are water repellent, hence do not absorb sweat from the skin. जलरोधी असल्यामुळे शरीराचा घाम शोषला जात नाही. Continuous use of clothes made from these threads keep the skin moist, which may cause skin diseases. Synthetic clothes are uncomfortable to wear, especially in summer. या धाग्यांचे उन्हाळ्यामध्ये वापरणे त्रासाचे असते. Synthetic fabric catches fire easily. If they catch fire, the cloth sticks to the skin and causes serious injuries. या धाग्यांपासून बनलेल्या कपड्यांनी जर पेट घेतला तर ते त्वचेला चिकटून बसतात आणि त्यापासून गंभीर स्वरूपाच्या जखमा सुद्धा होतात. These fibers are not decomposed by microorganisms. Decompose विघटन. या धाग्यांचे सूक्ष्म जीवांमार्फत विघटन होत नाही. ओके. नेक्स्ट, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, सेव्ह ट्रीज टू सेव्ह नेचर, सेव्ह पेपर टू सेव्ह ट्रीज. पहा, जर आपल्याला निसर्ग वाचवायचा असेल तर आपल्याला झाडं वाचवली पाहिजेत आणि झाडं वाचवण्यासाठी आपल्याला कागद वाचवला पाहिजे. यूज पेपर प्रॉपरली अँड इकॉनॉमिकली. त्यासाठी आपल्याला कागदाचा योग्य आणि काटकसरीने वापर केला पाहिजे. मेक फुल यूज ऑफ इट अँड रिसायकल द यूज्ड पेपर. देन about fibers. Although there are some disadvantages in using synthetic fibers, they can be useful if they are used in the proper way. They reduce the load on the use of natural resources. तर कृत्रिम धागे जे आहेत त्यांचे दोष लक्षात घेऊन योग्य प्रकारे वापरात आणले तर ते उपयुक्त ठरतात आणि नैसर्गिक साधनसंपत्तीच्या वापरावरचा ताण देखील कमी करतात. नेक्स्ट, सायन्स वॉच. स्टुडंट्स, you have known that there is science behind every phenomenon. It is necessary to explain to everybody what we have learned. So, let's act on the basis of our नॉलेज. आपल्याला जे समजले ते सर्वांना सांगूया, समजावून देऊया व त्यानुसार वागूया. ओके, टेक केअर, बाय.